How to make beef pizza at home without oven. Prepare beef for pizza. In a frying pan, pour 1 tablespoon cooking oil. I used soybean oil. Garlic paste ½ teaspoon. Ginger paste ½ teaspoon. Onion paste ½ teaspoon. Cumin paste ½ teaspoon. At this time keep the temperature low. Put sliced beef, I use 250 grams. Salt is needed to taste. Stir and mix them. Pour little water to boil beef. Now cover the frying pan for 20 minutes. Keep the temperature low. After 20 minutes, beef is ready now to make pizza. Making beef pizza, take a frying pan. At this time keep burner off. Apply olive oil perfectly in the frying pan, it will protect pizza to burn. Put flour dough on frying pan. Check description below to know how to make flour dough for pizza. Make pizza shape. Brush some olive oil on the dough. Pour pizza sauce. And brush all over the flour dough. Now use following ingredients one by one. Mozzarella cheese, cooked beef, mozzarella cheese again, green capsicum, red capsicum, Cook beef again. Sliced onion. Oregano. Mozzarella cheese, one more. Black olive. Cover the frying pan for 10 minutes and light the burner. We are done. Now our beef pizza is ready to serve.
Don't forget to try at your home. It's super easy.
Subscribe our channel for more recipes. Thank you.